right, so we have received the DJI Inspire 1. Okay, we'll open up the box. So, very little patience. Okay, take this out. Nice. Put this to a secure location. Front, back. This. Been waiting 2 months for this.
Where's your case?
Huh?
Is your case in there?
The case?
Yeah.
This is the case. Come and look at it. Looks like a briefcase. I wonder if it fits on the airplane. Check this out.
Oh.
Is it worth the wait? It's actually
Yeah.
free. Look at this.
Imagine how much that would have cost.
I wonder if you can fit this on like a overhead. That would have been awesome.
Oh,
Oh,
I
something
think
like
so.
this. Another $500 or $600. Grab the camera, baby. Grab the camera.
You're on camera?
No, grab the camera. Right, open it.
Well, let me see.
Yeah.
It's right on you. So I don't even want to. Because if I pick it up, it's going to be like this. It's literally right on you. Holy moly. That's grandote.
Love the smell of new plastic toys.
Babe, that's huge. That's cool.
That's awesome.
Okay, hold on. Then I'll put it back.
Look at this. How do you take it out? Right out of the box. Wow, this is big as the other one? It's different, huh?
Mm-hmm. Nice. Look at that.
That's cool. That's very cool.
Looks like a skull almost.
Yep. But I guess I'll get all the instructions out
Yeah. Where are they?
before I start to play with them. They're probably right in here.
Alrighty. Let's go upstairs.
Manual.
Read.
Awesome. Okay. We will check back in with you
Yes.
after we've assembled it.
Yes.
Or maybe as we assemble it, we'll check